Today, I figured out what I'm going to do about the 4 laws I had. Before that, I'm going to share with you the 5 tips how I maintain my $10 account without blowing it. I'm sorry to break this to you. If you are a beginner, don't expect to place any withdrawal for the next 1 or 2 months trading with a $10 account. The moment you have the mind of placing withdrawal anytime soon, there is a high probability you are going to blow your account, because surely you will want to risk big. Reasons why I said you should not put withdrawal on your mind for the first few months. It's because making 50% of a $10 account is 5%, making 90% is $9, making 100% is $20, and making 3% is $3, making 1% $1. Not like $100 account, $1,000 account, and $10,000 account. Your main goal on the account is not to blow it and grow the account. In fact, if you are lucky to make 100% profit on your $10 account, your initial capital is $10 plus the profit $10, that is $20. Are you going to withdraw the $10, or you are going to leave the $10 and make your whole money inside your account, your live account, to be $20 and keep growing it? If you decide to withdraw your $10, you know your balance is going to go back to your initial capital, which is $10. But in this trading game, choose the one that work best for you. But if I'm the one, I'm just going to leave the 100% profit and keep growing it. My second tip is I have proper risk management. I stake $1, not $2, not three, not four, not five. I stake $1 per trade. If I am using $2 to stake, I will only have 5 chance. If I'm using $5 to stake, I will only have 2 chance. With my strategy, the loss I have in a row is 2. Highest loss is 2. My third trade, I always win it. My third tip is the beauty of trading. Starting from more is less and less is more. It reward every good decision. It gives time for more rest and leisure. It gives the best psychology. It is patient. Trading is not 9 to 5. It brings out the best version of you, because the war or the problem is versus you. You have to battle yourself. If you have any point in mind, help me add more in the comment section. Number 4 tips is what trading really means to me. Starting from capital preservation, risk to reward, daily loss, daily target, daily gain, minimize risk, compound gain. The last tip is to be realistic with yourself. As a beginner, don't be in rush to make 100% profit of your capital. If you are making 10 to 30% profit of your capital as a beginner, you are really trying. Give yourself the flower. While you are contented with your 10 to 30% profit, some are out there blowing their account when you only deposited your own $10 once and you are learning and going with it. Some have deposited more than 3 times without placing withdrawal. Say it, I will not only deposit, I will withdraw. The fact that they have deposited more than 3 times, some of them haven't learned their lesson. Also remember, trading is a long-term game. Have you ever thought of it why it is a long-term process? There is no shortcut to success. Do not compare your own journey to another person. Stay away from other people's strategy. Be consistent. Do not give up. Learn from your mistake. These are the tips and how I am able to sustain my $10 account till now. The proof is on my channel on YouTube. I post daily how I am growing the account, which is going to be helpful for you. Just check out the channel playlist. You are going to see it. Watch every single video from day one till now, and the one that are coming in the future. Also, the reason why I have not been trading because of the 4 laws I had, that is going to be in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Peace.